All right, Chainlink update. Looking at a bullish reversal candle, hopefully, last week. Good recovery, almost 20% weekly. I haven't seen that in a while out of Chainlink. So looking at this is could be like a deviation or the final kind of move down. This fake out here, when you instantly recover. This is our first out of the past 9 weeks that we've closed back above this EMA 8 red line here, right? So that is worth noting, nonetheless. And when you have this big kind of red moves down, hesitation, and a reversal, this could mark the bottom for Chainlink. Fingers crossed here. However, you want to see a bullish reversal candle like this have follow through on the next candle. So this week will be pretty key for Chainlink. So far, so good. Off to a decent start. Ideally, for me, I would like to see us close above this 21 week. That would be great. Even better, how about this green candle right here? This closed at 663. Great sign if we get up there. I would be more confident that this would be the lows, maybe forever for Chainlink, right? Hopefully the next cycle we don't go back down that low. We would hope not. Hopefully we'll be miles away from that, right? So that's what I would be looking for, just based on the price, based on the charts. Good sign we closed back above the EMA 8. Right, last time we did that was right here, mid-April. So good move out of Chainlink, 20%, shaking off. Hopefully a fake out to the downside. How's our weekly indicators looking? MFI still moseying down here, but the good sign that I see is the Fisher transform has crossed bullish buy signal here. I'd like to see this running a little bit more parallel, kind of like we did back here. But we would see that likely confirm if we do get, in fact, a continuation of a move up to 650 plus range out of Chainlink. We have a bullish reversal signal out of here. So that's a good one. I'd like to see the ADX, right? You want all these kind of in agreement, and right now we just don't really have it just yet. Maybe a little early. Likely because of 8 red weeks basically down, and then just the first early sign of last week. But I do like that bullish reversal signal. I would like to see some follow through and a cross bullish out of the ADX and DI. ADX still down here, so not a power move yet. You'd want that orange line above 25. Got the ways to go yet, still on there, but still early. But I think we'd see a lot more green. Both in the price charts and, in the springtime, feel good kind of moments. If we get a close above 650 this week, I'd really like to see it, out of Chainlink. RSI has just been weak for weeks, or months or years. We're going back to like 2022 really till we can get these are just fake outs right here, right? Your bullish movements really come, I would say, if we can resume an uptrend here, and we just kind of lost this whole uptrend right here, right? And that's going all the way back to, after the early 2023, get off to a good start altcoin market. We just kind of just been stuck down in purgatory here. So we got to recapture this kind of uptrend line. And that doesn't really start until we get weekly movements back above, 50, plain and simple there. So, we take this out, right? I think we'll probably start cooking, mid 50s or higher. Look how long it's been since we've done that. We got to go back to really bull market peaks, right? Before we can take that out, right? And then be good things coming for Chainlink. I would say if we're there, we're probably knocking on the door of 7, if not higher. But you can see my alert way the hell up here. Why is that? That's when the big stuff for Chainlink would likely happen. Take over the 200 week. That's that pink line right here, which we're just, anytime you're under the 200 week, you gotta, be a little bit more bearish than bullish just by definition. But, we take over the 200 week. It also kind of takes out our highest close and these 3 wicks right here. Really 4, right? That zone. 4 taps off of that kind of $9 area. No closes above it, right? Our highest weekly close in, over a year is, we're looking at 877, right? Close above that. That's a good one. But I think more importantly is a close back above the 200 week. And that would likely be around the 950 mark, somewhere thereabouts. and then I think Chainlink really picks up steam to the bigger side, right? And then we can talk more bull narrative, and we get the Sergey shirts on at that point. So I'll leave you with that. Hopefully you found that helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.